Hey guys, this is Juan here, and today I'm going to share with you 5 business ideas you can start in 2019. Today, more than ever before, it's the easiest time to start a business, and it's all thanks to the internet. Everyone these days can start their own online business, even a teenager. So will you take that opportunity or not? If you want to take that opportunity, then I've got 5 business ideas you can start in 2019. So keep on watching. So the first business idea that I've got for you is to become a freelancer, which is someone who offers his services online. And really you can offer everything and anything. There is almost a demand for something online, and it can be the simplest thing. Just go to websites like fiverr.com or upwork.com and check the categories. You will see there is everything to offer there, and you must have a skill you can offer. And it's really simple. You don't have to set up a website or anything. Those websites, Fiverr and Upwork, they already have a platform that is ready for new freelancers to join and set up their own sales pages and offer their services. So it's really easy to do, and it's really easy to get payment, and they already bring you the traffic, so all you have to worry about is offer your service and give good customer support. Now you can grow that to a big business and get a lot of reviews and really scale it up. And if you want to learn more about it, I've created a video about how to set up your freelance service online, which you will see on the screen and in the description below. The second business idea that I've got for you is to become an affiliate marketer. And really, it's one of the best, if not the best, businesses to start, because it requires such a low risk and such a low investment in the beginning that anybody can start it. Essentially, affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product and getting a commission for it. So let's say that I've got a camera on Amazon and I like that camera. I could recommend it to people online, and with a special link they go through, I get a commission each time someone buys that camera through me. So in this business model, all you have to worry about is marketing. You don't have to worry about manufacturing, you don't have to worry about shipping, you don't have to worry about customer support. All you have to do is get eyes on the products and get sales to that product. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then I've actually created a video explaining the process of affiliate marketing. And also, if you want to go deeper, then I went through 2 courses that really go deep into affiliate marketing, and I've covered them in those videos, okay? And I suggest you check those out and try it out for yourself. The third business model that I have for you is to become a social media manager. And if you know a little bit about social media and you're tech savvy, you can really help those small businesses who don't have the time or don't have the knowledge about social media and the internet. And you can ask for a big sum of money for that, because when people know they will make more money if they pay you, they will pay you a lot of money. So that's a great business idea in my opinion, and all you have to do is manage their social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram or Twitter, and you can get paid a lot for that. A great way to approach those businesses is to send them an email with a video giving them some free value about their business, telling them what they can improve, and when you do that you attract attention from them, and you can tell them that if they want to learn more and if they want more help, they can turn to you to become their social media manager. Another way is to offer a free trial. You can offer a free month that you manage their social media, and if they get the results they want, they can continue with you. There is no risk associated, and it's a no-brainer for them. The fourth business idea that I have for you is to sell on Amazon. And it's a great way to get into the e-commerce world, because Amazon is already a known brand and people trust it, and it has a lot of traffic on their website. They take care of a lot of things that otherwise would have been difficult for you. For example, they ship the products for you to the customer, they take care of the customer support. Now it's really a great way to get into that world, but with that said, I wouldn't recommend it to someone who is totally new to the business world, and especially to marketing. I see a lot of sellers going to Amazon, placing their products on there and expecting to get sales. And it's not the case, because you gotta understand there are thousands of sellers on Amazon and your product will just disappear in a sea of products. So I would recommend before you get into Amazon, which is a great opportunity, you can make a lot of money there. I just wouldn't suggest it as a first business. I would suggest you learn more about marketing. And a great way to do that is actually start with affiliate marketing, which is focused on marketing. So I would recommend you go to affiliate marketing first, and then if you want to expand and scale your business, you can get it to Amazon. Now I'm going to explain the process of it briefly because there are a lot of moving parts into selling on Amazon, and that video can go over an hour. But in a most basic way, what you would do is go to a website called Alibaba.com. Alright? You would source your products from there. It's a website of manufacturers from China. You would source your product from there. I would recommend you order a small quantity at the beginning, maybe 200 to 300 pieces. And you would ship it to Amazon Fulfillment Center. And then you would open up a listing on Amazon, and when people buy, Amazon ships that product to the customer. Now that's very, very basic. Obviously there are a lot more to it, and if you want to go deeper into it, you can go to a course called The Amazing Selling Machine, which is the most popular course about selling on Amazon. The fifth business idea that I have for you is to become a social media influencer. So if you've got a following online or you want to grow one, you can become a social media influencer. And essentially what it means is that you have a big following on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or whatever it is, and because you have a big following, then brands would like to work with you and expose their products to the general public. So they will pay you brand deals in order to feature their products on your account, okay? And that can be a few $100s to $1,000 to a lot more, depending on how big your audience is and how targeted it is. So this is something that takes patience and can take years, but once you do that, that's passive income. And all you have to do is upload a post with their product and you're set. Now, if you want to see a little bit more about it, then I've created a video about becoming a social media influencer, which you will see on the screen, and also I will link it in the description below. Alright, so to summarize the 5 business ideas that I gave in this video, the first one is to become a freelancer, the second one is to become an affiliate marketer, the third one is to become a social media manager, the fourth one is to sell on Amazon, and the fifth one is to become a social media influencer. So let me know, what business idea are you thinking about starting in 2019 or in 2020? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, then give me a thumbs up, that really helps me out. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.